what kind of security they want.
We're about to find out. Now come on.
This seem legit to you, Bill?
Sure. Dutch said we was to keep on dealing with them until we find this gold.
Can we trust them?
Can we trust anyone?
Yeah, let's just see what they say.
They said there was some big misunderstanding about them horses.
And what about boarding their fields?
They don't know we had anything to do with that.
Oh, that's so.
Yeah, they think it was the Braithwaites. Listen, I know these Grey Boys bid now. This is on the level.
We're stuck in the middle of some ancient feud, but instead of playing both sides, we're being used by both of them.
They were saying that Catherine Braithwaite...
Hey, hold up. This don't feel right.
Now it don't feel right. I could have told you that.
Shit, what the hell? Get down! Sons of bitches. What the... God damn it! I can't believe you shot me, you bastard!
You okay?
I'm fine!
Oh, shut up. Idiots! Look at him, of course she's dead! Do not think this was a trap!
You see a way out of here?
Not right now. They got us pinned in good.
Cowards are in the gun store! I'll get the front. You take the back! Let these bastards walk out of here! Real heavy over here, fellas? I'm gonna stand by the man in the back of We're dead! For hell's sake! Check the back! Come on! On the other side! This is your time! You're getting sloppy, Morgan.
You see that window and Sean? Don't talk to me about slop.
Better in here, not there.
All of you! Pour broadside into those sons of bitches! I want them dead!
You sure about that?
This is your last
Yeah! Thinking the Greys might be onto us after all.
Now it's sinking in. So much for loot. And loot. We ain't getting out of this with nothing. That's assuming we even get out of it.
Of course we're getting out of it. This is you and... Morgan, we always get the job done.
You call this getting the job done? See Bill anywhere?
No.
Shit.
See that? Those cowards running away.
Looks like most of them. Not all of them. Sheriff Gray. And what about Bill? Where the hell's he?
We'll find him later. Come on. Sheriff Gray! You need to get a hold on this town. It's going to hell.
Who do you think you are? Bunch of two-bit thugs from God knows where? You're so dumb to think we don't know what you've been doing.
Come out, Sheriff. It's over.
We put down far worse than you, 100 times over. This is the Greys' town. Always has been, always will be.
Only Greys I see left around here is you.
You want us to come out? We'll come out.
Shit. Oh, Bill.
Guns on the ground, now! Both of you! Don't do it!
You know we can't do that. You put the gun down, Sheriff.
I'll blow his brains out!
You want to join your little friend there, do you?
Either way, you're a dead man. Morgan?
Shit!
He was a good kid.
Well, how the hell was I to know?
Let me see. They set us up once before. They didn't like us. We destroyed their farm. Should I go on?
Go easy on him, Morgan. He was out trying to find a lead, same as you, same as Hosea. All you do is complain when things don't work out, except when it's your goddamn fault.
You don't know what you're talking about. You don't give a damn about nobody but yourself.
Oh, you act so high and mighty, but you're no better than the rest of us. I've ridden with you boys close on what, 6 months now? And all you ever done was complain. You can fight, but you can't think.
You can't do either.
Okay, cowpoke.
Bill, take the boy's body. Bury him proper someplace quiet. Micah, best you and I don't speak for a moment.
I'm just so frightened by you.
Get out of my sight, pair of fools. Sean has been killed. His head shot half off in an ambush. Still no Confederate gold, but a shitload of trouble.